Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you the use of gray color in furniture design. Iconic and stylish option for your individual needs and your own creation unique preference options so that you get inspiration from this video. So watch the video until the end. The use of gray in furniture design has become increasingly popular in recent years. Gray is a versatile and timeless color that can be used in a variety of design styles, from modern to traditional. It is a natural color that can be paired with almost any other color, making it a great choice for those who want to create a stylish and cohesive look in their homes. In this video, we will explore the iconic preference and stylish option for gray color scheme in furniture design. Iconic preference. When it comes to iconic preference for gray color scheme in furniture design, there are several classic styles that come to mind. One of the most iconic use of gray in furniture design is in middle century modern pieces. These styles often features clean lines, silk shape, and a minimalist aesthetic. And gray is a perfect complement to the design elements. Mid-century modern furniture often use gray as a base color, with pops of bright colors or metallic accents to add visual interest. Another iconic preference for gray color scheme in furniture design is Scandinavian design. Scandinavian furniture is known for its simplicity, functionality, and understand elegancy. And gray is a common choice for this style. Gray can be used in everything from upholstered sofas and chairs to wooden table and cabinets, creating a cohesive and calming looking in any room. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in comment section. If you like what we post daily video on this channel, you can share with your friends and family so that our video will be reached for wider audience. We will post daily video on furniture design and decor ideas. When we talk about stylish option, in addition to this iconic preference, there are also many stylish options for incorporating gray into furniture design. One popular option is to use gray as an accent color in a room that is otherwise natural. For example, a gray sofa or armchair can add a touch of sophistication to a room that is primarily decorated in white and creams. Another stylish option for gray color scheme in furniture design is to use different shades of gray to create depth and dimension in a space. By mixing light and dark gray, you can create a visually interesting and dynamic look that is both modern and timeless. This can be achieved through the use of different materials such as leather, fabric, or wooden, all in varying shades of gray. When it comes to specific furniture pieces, there are several stylish options for incorporating gray into your home. Gray sofas and sectionals are a popular choice for living rooms as they provide a virtuality background for colorful pillows and throws. Grey dining chairs can add a touch of sophistication into dining room, while grey bedrooms furniture can create a calming and sinister atmosphere in the bedroom. In terms of materials, there are many stylish options for grey color scheme in furniture design. For example, grey leather furniture can add a luxury and modern touch to any space, while grey upholstery pieces can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Grey wooden furniture such as tables, cabinets, and can add a warm zen texture to a room while it's maintaining a modern and sophisticated look. All over these are countless iconic preference and stylish options for grey color scheme in furniture design. Whether you prefer a classic mid-century modern look or a more contemporary Scandinavian style, there are plenty of ways to incorporate grey into your home in a stylish and sophisticated way. This is versatile and timeless color. Grey is sure to remain a popular choice for furniture designers for years in the coming years. Here are some additional stylish options and tips for incorporating grey into your furniture design ideas. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in comment section. Here are some additional stylish options and tips for incorporating grey into furniture design. Number 1. Mixing texture. When using grey in furniture design, consider mixing different textures to add depth and visual interest to the space. For example, pairing a smooth grey leather sofa with a cozy textured grey rug can create a dynamic and inviting living room. Number 2. Statement piece. Consider using a bold statement piece of grey furniture as a focal point in a room. This could be striking grey velvet sofa, a sculptural grey armchair, or an eye-catching grey accent cabinet. A standout piece in rich shade or grey can add drama and sophistication to any space. Number 3. Metallic accent. Pairing any grey furniture with a metallic accent such as chrome, brass, or brushed nickel can create a modern and luxury look. Number 4. Layering shades. Experimenting with layering different shapes of grey within the same room. Number 5. Pops of color. Use grey as a backdrop of additional pops of colors throughout the room. Whether it's through colorful artwork, vibrate through pillow, or decorative accessories. The natural drop of grey furniture can provide the perfect canvas for injecting personality and vibrance into space. Number 6. Grey and wooden cabinets. Can consider pairing grey furniture with natural wooden elements to create a warm and inviting ambience. Remember that when incorporating grey into your furniture design, it's essential to consider the overall aesthetic you want to achieve, as well as the existing decor and color palette in your home. With its versatility and timeless appeal, grey provides endless opportunity for creating stylish and sophisticated interior. So, dear viewers, here we are. Have you liked what we post today? If you do, please consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe the channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new video on furniture design and decorative idea for your specific needs and aesthetic preference.